Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So before I start my video, I wanna say Happy New Year 2024 for all of us, okay? May all of our wishes in this year will be come true, alright? So, for those of you who don't know about me yet, let me introduce myself. My name is Aldi, I'm from Indonesia and currently I'm in the US right now. Alright, so today's video I'm gonna make video about the basic skincare that you guys must apply to your face like every day. This is a basic skincare, the easiest skincare that at least you have to do it on your daily basis and every day. So before we jump to my video, I want you guys to subscribe my channel here. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share to everyone, and I hope this video is gonna be useful for all of you. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Well, as usual, I want to do some disclaimer first, just like what I do on my previous video. I always do some disclaimer because I just want to make it clear that all the product I'm gonna review, all the product that is in front of you guys right now are the product that I just purchased at Walmart, sometimes online, sometimes at Ulta Beauty. Okay, so there's no any sponsor, there's no any endorsement, so I just purchased all of those products in front of you guys all by myself. I bought these products, I purchased all the products at Walmart, at Ulta Beauty, and online. Okay, so once again, I purchased all of this product all by myself. This video is not a sponsor video, not an endorsement video. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the first step number one that you guys must do every day on your daily basis, which is wash your face at least 2 times a day. I usually wash my face in the morning and also at the end of the day before I go to sleep. I usually wash my face in the morning because I wanna remove all the dirt, all the skincare substances that's sticky on my face that I applied the night before. That's why I always wash my face every morning after I wake up. And the second one, I always wash my face at the end of the day, which is at night before I go to sleep, because I have to make sure that my face is clean enough before I go to sleep. And this is important to all of you to search for the suitable facial wash, depends on your skin type. I usually use those 2 brands from CeraVe and from La Roche-Posay or La Roche-Posay. Please let me know how do I pronounce this brand correctly, okay? I already made a video about this product from this CeraVe foaming facial cleanser for oily skin. I already made about the honest review of this product, you guys can check it out, okay? And maybe I'm gonna make another honest review of this product. These two products are my favorite, and I've been using this product for about 1 year. And for the CeraVe, meanwhile for the CeraVe I've been using for about 2 years, and these two are my favorite product. And usually when I wash my face, I just not like wash like this, no, I use this device. So I put the facial wash on this device. It has something like scrub here, see, it's gonna exfoliate your face. So I usually just put enough amount on my device, on my facial brush device, this device, just like that, and then I wash my face with the circular motion, just like this, to entire all over my face. And that's it. And then after I wash my face, I rinse my face with the lukewarm water. And the second step is, don't forget to apply your moisturizer, your daily moisturizer. If you are a lazy enough persons, you guys can jump directly to the moisturizing step. I usually, after washing my face with my favorite facial wash, I usually continue to apply some toner and then serum and then essence, and also the last step I'm gonna put some moisturizer on my face, and in the morning I usually put some sunscreen here. But if you are lazy persons, at least you need to follow my instruction to get a simple basic skincare routine to maintain your healthy of your skin. Okay, this is the step number 2, which is don't forget to apply your favorite moisturizer on your face. Don't forget, once again, don't forget to apply your moisturizer on your face. This is a must thing to do after you wash your face. Okay, here is my favorite moisturizer. I have two brand of moisturizer. The first one is the Kojisan that I usually apply in the morning before I start applying my sunscreen. And for my night cream, for my night moisturizer, I'm using the L'Oreal Age Perfect. This is really good, guys, so good. Okay, applying moisturizer is a must to keep your face moist, because usually after you wash your face with your facial wash, sometimes we feel our face is dry, and then we can feel like our face is a little bit tight, something like that, right? Correct? Okay, so the second step is don't forget to apply your moisturizer on your face. But just like what I told you before, you need to find your suitable moisturizer on your face, depends on your skin type. Okay, no matter what your skin type is, if you have a dry skin, if you have oily skin, or if you're in the middle dry and oily skin, no matter what your skin type is, you need to apply a moisturizer is a must. Applying a moisturizer is a must every morning and every night. Alright, so this is the step number 3, which is the most important thing of them all, is applying your sunscreen here every day. Many beauty influencers on YouTube, on TikTok, they always say that using a sunscreen every day is a must. Yes, that's correct, because this is like the king of the skincare, which is the sunscreen alone. Applying the sunscreen is really important for your face in the morning, because sunscreen can protect your face from UVA and UVB radiation that comes from the sunlight, especially for those of you guys who are working outdoor. It is really important to use sunscreen. Here I'm using two favorite L'Oreal UV Defense. I bought this in Indonesia before I come to the US, because this is one of my products that I've been using for about 6 years. Yeah, for about 6 years. And since I'm here to the US, I tried this La Roche-Posay Antelos sunscreen. It has a dry touch or dry effect, so this is good, really good for me, as I'm having an really oily skin. Sunscreen itself, sunscreen alone has a lot of benefits, not only to protect your face from the UVA and UVB radiation from the sunlight, it also to prevent the sunburn. It also can decrease the skin cancer and the early aging by the sunlight. So I have ever read on the article on Google, on the beauty journal on Google, that sunscreen can make your face 5 years younger. And that's correct, I guess, because I'm now 30 years old. But you guys can look my face. I always use my sunscreen every morning, and sometimes I reapply in every 3 hours. That's why my skin is wrinkle free and there's no aging spots like that. So I recommend you guys to search for the sunscreen that has SPF at least 30%. Above the 30% is better, okay? Like what I have been using for the past 6 years and 3 months. Yeah, I've been using this for about 3 months and I do really like it. I recommend you guys, for those of you who have an oily skin, you guys can use this product, because this sunscreen from La Roche-Posay, this kind of sunscreen can make your face like oil free. It's not that really oily on your face. It has also like the matte finish on your face. That's why I really like it. Okay guys, so I recommend you guys, if you guys are searching for the sunscreen, just like what I told you before, at least it has 30% SPF. Above 30% it's good. Like this product, this L'Oreal UV Defense, it has 50 SPF, and for this one it has 60 SPF, so it's gonna protect your face longer a day, in a day. Alright guys, so this is the summary of my video about the basic skincare that you guys must do every day on your daily basis. The first one is, don't forget to wash your face at least 2 times a day, in the morning and at the end of the day. And the second one, don't forget to apply, you guys must apply your moisturizer to keep your face moist all the time. Don't forget to buy, don't forget to search for the suitable moisturizer, depends on your skin type. And the last one, which is, this is the most important one among them all, is applying the sunscreen. Apply the sunscreen every morning, every single morning, and if needed, you need to apply at least 3 hours. Okay, like even though you are at home or you are outdoor, you need to apply the sunscreen like every day. Even though you are at home, if you are not going anywhere or you guys just stay at home, you guys need to keep applying this sunscreen every day, because this sunscreen is gonna protect your face from the sunlight that has many negative side on your face. Okay, once again, no matter if you are outdoor or indoor, or if you guys just want to stay at home, you guys keep applying this sunscreen. Okay, if needed, you need to apply for every 3 hours. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video is really useful for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share to all of your friends, all of your family members, and etc. etc. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.